doing, boy?
Behind the scenes.
Cowboy pissing. You know what I'm saying? Out in the open. Look around the scene, baby. You gotta enjoy the open air.
Somebody shit fucking up. Cowboy pissing. Cowboy pissing.
Cowboy pissing.
Because you're recording. Stop recording, you guys.
You want to take a selfie, right?
Yeah, but we all fit.
Look who's talking, 3X. I'm 3X too, it's okay. Bro, we ain't cool.
Así sí sale. Come on.
You're not getting on?
No.
Oh, damn.
Yo soy su payasa. Come on.
Good. Right here, chilling on it. You already know. We came to the park ski. You know, we right here chilling with the boys, You already know with the big old toys. Little rope. I told him, man, parece avión. Primero llega el ruido. What's good? We in this bitch, we in the park, man. We in the park skis, You already know what the fuck I'm talking about. Hell yeah, what's up? These niggas right here. What's up, what y'all got going on, man?
Nothing. We're just out here walking around.
Looking for some food.
Looking for some food.
But we like to eat.
Roll on that Titanic shit. We out here.
Boy, you gotta warn me. Looking all retarded and shit.
What's good? Caught me over here talking shit.
Right. No, so we here chilling at the park ski. Shout out to the burrito time, you know what I'm saying? We here.
We ain't gonna shut him out though.
Because we like to eat.
We like to eat. We like to what? Eat. You like to eat? So we here, man. Waiting for our stuff. So, you know what I'm saying? We came to the park. We're wearing the shirt skis, man. You know, we got it going on, and we'll probably vlog about this too. So you guys stay tuned. Peace.